Hey guys, welcome to Tooling with Newman. So as we prepare as a country for the arrival of Hurricane Milton, I figured it was a good time to go over my Milwaukee stick filter. This is part number 257920. This is the M12 stick filter. So it basically has a 36-inch shaft here to where you can submerge it up to 36 inches underground. So that way you can go over walls, you could utilize it in a bunch of different spots. It also has your 3/4-inch garden connection right here. It has this hydro pass filter on the bottom, which is easily changeable too. All you got to do. So here's the stick pump as it sits out of the packaging. It's pretty overall long. Like I said, it's about 4 foot long, but it has 36 inches of submersible aluminum pole on it. So it is quite long, which is handy because, if you're, let's say if you're trying to clean out a meter box, you could just stick it right on in. You don't got to get on your hands and knees, so that's pretty cool about it. You could use it to drain meter boxes, catch basins, pump pits, trenches, pretty much anything and everything you could use to drain things. My use for it is I like to lower my pool level a little bit. And yes, you could use the pump to lower it, but then I can't really direct it to where I want it to go. So that's why I wanted this. So I could just lower it a little bit, direct the water wherever I want it to go, just make my life a little bit easier. And I'm sure there's going to be various other applications for using it. I think one time I seen someone, they put a filter on the end of here. They put a filter on the end of here and they stuck it in a hot tub to basically filter out the whole hot tub. So this is the submersible part, and then this is the end where you connect up your garden hose, and that was where they put the filter, and they put it in a hot tub, and then you basically filtered out your whole hot tub with this pump. So it's pretty cool. So like I said, it's an M12 line. You have your M12 battery. All you do is stick your little battery in the end, pop it in. You have an on and off switch right here. And you also have your battery indicator right here. So when you click it on, you'll see your battery indicator. And you can also hear how quiet that is. You hear it makes very, very little noise. So, which is always handy there. Like I said, this is your standard garden hose connection. So you could either use a longer garden hose or a short garden hose. I use a 3-foot garden hose here. This is my connection here, and then I just direct it wherever I want to direct it to, which is pretty cool. And that's pretty much about it. The filter, like I said before, you just unscrew your housing here. It's basically just hand tightened. Unscrew your housing here, and then take it off, and then that's the Milwaukee Hydro Pass filter in there. So that could be replaced if you've got a bunch of gook in it. You want to make sure you don't try and unscrew this whole piece, because that will unscrew. Don't unscrew that. Just unscrew your filter if you're replacing the filter. And I think that's probably about it with this little transfer pump. It's an awesome little tool. So let me show you me using it. Part of my hurricane prep is to drain the pool a little bit. With all that rain coming down, I don't want the pool to overflow and come inside the house. So with the Milwaukee stick pump, all you got to do is submerge the end and click on the on button, and it will pump out your water. So this guy puts out up to 9 gallons per minute and a 15-foot maximum head height. So I could drain my pool really good.
Tooling with Newman.